What if I tell you that there's a simple and easy way to make money online and you can start today and gain your first $10? Well, make sure to watch this video till the end to learn all about it. With that being said, let's jump straight into it. I want you to go to dollarclicks.com. I like the interface of this website as it tells it all. You can see that this platform pays you through PayPal, Visa, and even Amazon, so you don't have to worry about receiving your earnings. If you scroll down, you will learn more about the idea behind DollarClicks. This is a great website that pays you to complete offers, take surveys, watch videos, and more. This platform has been around since 2015 and is open worldwide. Many people from different countries around the world love this site because it has plenty of offers they can complete every single day. Many Get Paid To sites only target Tier 1 countries, but this one appears to be the exception. Just keep in mind that this is a passive income site and it's possible to earn up to $2 a day for completing an offer, which will only take a few minutes of your time. You can complete surveys, which is the most profitable way to make money on this platform, and even receive rewards in your sleep while your referrals complete surveys. That's so cool. On top of that, we can make money while we are sleeping, and this is an easy way to earn Amazon and PayPal balance. The best strategies online are those that can run on a passive mode. You can see here some of the advantages of making money on dollarclicks.com. You can see that the website has already paid almost $2 million to the 5,000 plus members who are working on this platform. But how to join this platform and start making money? Simply click on Sign Up Now. You will be taken to this page where you can fill out the registration form. Make sure to give your real details to avoid any issues when you request your first payment. The registration process would take you a minute or two, and once done, simply hit on Create an Account, and that's pretty much it. Once connected, hit on Earn Points. You can find the different ways to make money on this platform. You can complete the daily surveys. Each one will gain you a certain number of points that you can convert into cash afterward. If you think that surveys are a bit boring, you can consider another method, which is watching short videos. You will be watching short video clips such as music videos, movie trailers, and sponsored videos with any of the partners that might interest you. Well, I went through some review websites such as Trustpilot to find out what people think about this platform. You can see that DollarClicks is genuine and solid. But I realized that making money from watching videos on DollarClicks is not available in all countries, as this would depend on the countries that the advertiser is targeting. So you might want to focus on surveys if you're facing this situation. Let us know your opinion in the comment section. And that's all for today. Make sure to check out our other videos on how to make money online. And as always, if you're enjoying my content, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.